Good morning, students. Good morning, one and all, my dear students. Let's continue with the same chapter, chapter 21, perimeter and area. After finishing the perimeter, we are going to start area chapter. In area, we having two and three types concept. First one, find out the area of these pictures, and after understanding for some rectangle and square formulas. So students, to find out the area of these pictures, we having one formula. Area of the figure is equal to m plus n plus half p centimeter square. What is the m here and n here and p here? So I want to tell you, m is a full and complete boxes, n is a more than half, and p is the half. So watch here, the following pitch figures are drawn on a squared paper. Count the number of squares enclosed by each figure and find the area, taking the area of each square as a 1 centimeter square. So we are observing in first figure, figure 1 contains 9 complete squares. Figure 1 contain 9 complete, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is a no half, there is a no more than half. So its area is 9 square centimeter. If we talk about figure number 3rd, so we are watching the stick ones is a complete square. So how many are these? 8. Is it okay? Now if we talk about more than half, these 2. Okay, now if we talk about half square, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So apply the formula. 8 into 1 is equal to 8, then plus 2 into 1, what is 2 here? More than half squares. Okay, now 4 are the half squares. We have to multiply it by half, we get the 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 12 centimeter square is the area of this figure number 3. Now for a rectangle, we have the formula of area, length into breadth square unit. How we will find out the length if area and breadth is given? So if we apply the formula, length is equal to, length is equal to area divided by breadth unit. How we will find out the breadth? Area divided by length unit. Understand, students? And the perimeter formula, we already know perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth unit, which we have studied already. Now for a square, we have area is equal to side square, or we can apply side multiplied by side. It's a square, meaning is side multiplied by side square unit. Or the another formula, if we don't have side and we have diagonal. Okay, what's the meaning of diagonal? It's a square, students. So these are the sides, all 4 sides are equal. If I talk to you diagonal, so this green one, this corner to corner is called a diagonal. So a square having how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. So if the diagonal is given, so how we will find out the area? Half of the diagonal square unit. Now the perimeter we have studied already, 4 into side unit. Now one remark, in calculating the area of rectangle, we must express the length and breadth in same unit. So let's continue. Some examples I am showing to here. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 45 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. Stop it here, students. So first of all, we have to check that units are same or not. Yes, they are same. Now I am asking to you, find the perimeter of rectangle. Ma'am is asking to you perimeter of rectangle also. Now first area. Hence length is equal to 45 centimeter and breadth is equal to 18 centimeter. So the area formula, length into breadth square unit, 45 into 18, we get the 810 centimeter square. That is a topic about the area. In this question, also find the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter formula 2 into length plus breadth we have already studied. You can find out with the help of this formula perimeter. So let it move for the example number next. Now find the cost of cultivating. The word came here cultivating. Cultivating, and the next word fencing. Fencing word we know already because we have studied about the fencing in perimeter already. Okay, now the word is cultivating. What's the meaning of cultivating? Square students, look it here. If I draw this picture, I have to cultivate it, meaning I have to cover its full area. So this process is known as covered inside whole area is known as cultivating. Like हमें एक ग्राउंड में घास लगानी है, grazing area, is it okay? This is called a cultivating process. So whenever somebody talk to you cultivating, get ready that we have to find out its area. So continue with the question. Find the cost of cultivating a rectangular field 80 meter long and 35 meter wide. Length and breadth is given. Wide at rupees 15 per square meter. So cultivating की cost search करनी है आपको. Now in this question, length and breadth is given. We have mentioned here to find out the cultivating. We have searched the area, length and breadth, square unit. So 80 into 35, we get the area 2800 meter square. Now move to the question. Wide at rupees 15 per square meter. Cultivating की जो rate है वो है rupees 15 per square meter. Rate of cultivating is equal to rupees 15 per meter square, and we have to cultivate 2800 meter square area. So what we do, total cost of cultivating rupees 2800 multiplied by 15, we get the answer 42,000. First answer is finished here. Now go back to the question. Also find the cost of fencing. We have to find out the cost of fencing also. Fencing the field at rupees 24 per meter. Fencing की जो rate है वो 24 per meter है. So students go to the back concept. Fencing के लिए हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? Area की. Fencing के लिए हमें किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? Perimeter की. And we need our length and breadth. We have already. So perimeter of the field 2 into L plus B unit. This we can find out. Already you know how to find out perimeter. So by using this formula, we get the perimeter 230 meter. And the rate of fencing is rupees 24 per meter. So total cost of fencing rupees 230 into 24, we get the answer 5520 rupees only, or 5520 rupees. It's okay students. So in this question, once I want to repeat, cultivating word we face and fencing which we have already familiar. So to find out the cultivating area, to find out the fencing perimeter. Let it move with this good concept. Next question. Next question, the area of rectangle is 630 centimeters square. So area is given and its length is 35 centimeter. Whatever is given, we have mentioned area is given and length is given. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. हमें perimeter search करना है. तो perimeter के लिए आपको किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है? Length and breadth की. But students, out of length and breadth we having only length. Instead of breadth we having area. So ma'am has told you right before our formulas, if the area is given and the length is given, how we will find out the breadth? Find out the breadth formula, area divided by length. So 630 divided by 35, we get the 18. Is it okay? Centimeter. It's breadth, that's why unit will be centimeter. So now we having breadth 18 centimeter, length is already given 35 centimeter. We can find out the perimeter 2 into L plus B. Already familiar with this formula. So 2 into 35 plus 18 centimeter, we get 2 into 53 centimeter is equal now 1 meter 6 centimeter. Is it okay? Let it move for the next question students, which is a very important for us of this class. Now a room is 8 meter long and 6 meter wide. So length and breadth is given. So we have to mention first length of the room 8 meter and width is 6 meter. इट्स फ्लोर इज़ टू बी कवर्ड विद अ रेक्टेंगुलर टाइल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें इस रूम की फ्लोर को कवर्ड करना है विद अ रेक्टेंगुलरी टाइल्स. Rectangular tile size is 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So 25 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter is the length and breadth of our rectangular tiles. So the first concept, सारी units एक जैसी होनी चाहिए. Now the question is how many tiles will be required. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ टाइल्स एट ₹25 पर टाइल्स. ये हम बाद में सर्च करेंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज अ फाइंड हाउ मेनी टाइल्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. So find out the how many tiles will be required. We need a area of big divided by area of small. So the area of big is a area of room and the area of small is equal to area of rectangular tiles. So students, you are observing here area of floor is equal to length into breadth, it into 6 meters square. We have converted into meter only. Now area of each tile size is a 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So 100 centimeters make a 1 meter. So 25 centimeter divided by 100 into 20 into 100. 20 divided by 100 we have converted into meter. So area of each tile is a 1 upon 20 meter square. Right now I have told you the formula. Number of required tiles is equal to area of floor divided by area of each tile. So students, look it very carefully. Area of floor is equal to 48 meters square and we have to divide by area of tile which is 1 upon 20 meters square. So this type calculation we have studied about in the class 5 only. 48 will remain same and divide becomes multiplied and with the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 upon 20 will be 20. So 48 into 20 will equal to 960 tiles. Meter square to meter square will cancel because you are observing here in this formula meter square to meter square will cancel. So we get 960 required number of tiles. After that the cost of one tile is 25 rupees. So we having a 960 tiles, multiplied them. So the total cost of tiles is 24,000 rupees only. So students, I hope you must understand today's class. Every day regular practice because this topic is a little bit different. It needs a practice. Thank you and have a very good day everyone. Bye bye. Regular practice every day.